Do Work fam, what up? It's your boy Andy Dooley, aka Mr. Do Work. Welcome to Unbox More Than What's Inside. Today we are going to take a look at a new tablet. This tablet is from TCL. It is the NXTpaper 11 Gen 2. Look at TCL out here making moves. Guys, let's just jump right into it. Let's jump right into it, shall we? So on the camera, I love the finish of the back of this tablet. Camera, you have an 8 megapixel rear, 5 megapixel front camera. Software, we're dealing with Android 15 with features like split screen, PC mode, and a handy floating window. The display is an 11-inch FHD plus NXTpaper 4.0, 2K resolution, non-OLED, but with minimal glare. Comes with a magnetic T-pen stylus with pressure levels for drawing and notes. I thought it would be great to bring it into the car with me as I charged my car, show you what it looks like, you know, fully packaged in its casing, the flip case that TCL sent me, and then also what it looks like to actually navigate through this tablet and check out the Kindle, the e-reader portion of it while I sit in the car. This is something I genuinely do. I like to read in my car. I like to take advantage of the 25 to 35 minutes I do have by myself in a car and get to read. And this is what it looks like. I do want to jump into one of my favorite features on this tablet. It is the NXTpaper mode. You have ink paper mode, regular mode, and color paper mode. As you can see, I just shifted into ink paper mode. It transforms the screen into a black and white e-reader like display for a distraction-free reading experience. And it's a lot better on your eyes. Now, I wanted to shift into color paper mode, which delivers a soft, low saturated colors, ideal for digital art or even comics or creative work. Now here I'm going to shift back into regular mode, which offers crisp, vibrant visuals for general use, streaming and video calls. And I'm going to show you what streaming looks like. If you can hop on a YouTube video, it is very pleasing to the eye. I'm very shocked. Right here, I'm going to show you what it's like to have a direct light on the actual tablet and you can still see. This is direct light on the tablet and you can still have a pleasing reading experience. And I want you to see, even in the regular mode, how vibrant this blue is. As you can see, I swiped over. I'll zoom in for you so you can see. This just looks great and it doesn't stresses your eye. It's big on eye comfort. You can zoom in if you do have some eye issues. They think about everything. Now, this is another feature I love. It is satisfying writing on this tablet. Again, I'll say it over and over. It's not paper, but it sure is like paper. I want you to hear how it sounds. There is a texture there though. Let's go to Smart Voice Memo, another one of my favorite features. What up, Do Work fam? It's your boy Andy Dooley, aka Mr. Do Work. Welcome to Unbox More Than What's Inside. Later on in the video. Just to get the writing assist, all you have to do is swipe up with 3 fingers. Once it's done, it's now going to start transcribing all the information that was recorded. And then you can see it right there. Everything that it heard and took in, you can see right on this screen. It's incredible. Then you could go to summary and it'll give you a summary, give you keywords. This is vital. Imagine being able to sit there and just be in the moment, be present while getting all this information taken down with AI generate. I mean, right, this is one of my favorite parts too, right here. Mind mapping. Look at that. This is all on this tablet, which is all part of TCL AI. I think it's pretty dope. I do want to give you an idea of what it looks like to stream. Right here, I am streaming myself from YouTube, directly from YouTube on here. Look how vibrant these colors look on the screen. I mean, if you wanted to download Disney Plus, you can, and it's going to give you a great picture. Also, if you want to see what it's like to hop on the internet, this is it. It's very simple, it's clean, it's basic, and you can do all the things that you would anywhere. It would be crazy of me if I didn't show you a little bit about games, right? Games on here are fun. If you're looking for AAA, robust, crazy games like that, I'm not going to recommend it on this tablet. However, your everyday games, I even played Call of Duty on here on another video. Awesome. Another person asked me on my last video about Roblox. Here you go, my guy. That concludes today's review, and for now, the TCL series. I'm excited to see what TCL is going to put out. I did hear, or I thought I saw something about they have like a gaming monitor either coming out, or I'll check into it and let you guys know. Or if you know, let me know in the comment section. But this tablet, the Gen 2, I really believe this is for your everyday use. It's affordable. It looks great. It's dedicated to being able to do simple tasks. It is not a robust tablet. It's not even like the 11 Plus. 11 Plus has more RAM, has more to it. But this, you can do all the things, as you guys saw. And I just showed you some of it. And I love the TCL AI suite. It is perfect. I took it to one of my meetings, and wow, I really love that feature to it. I love the translate. There are a lot of things that I love about this tablet, and I'm going to use it. And I was in the market for an e-reader. I really was. Now, I'm good. I'm using this as an e-reader. As you can see, it looks beautiful. The tactile finish, I can't explain it. No, it's not paper, but it's paper-like. Anyways, I don't want to hold you up. It is your boy, Dooley. Make sure you tap the subscription button, subscribe, hit the bell, make sure you're following and know whenever I'm dropping a new video. Stay in tuned. We're growing this community. Much love. It's your boy Dooley. I'm out.